Hey, what's up? It's at Magnet Vlog. Today in this vlog, we're gonna show you my house. Yeah, this is my downstairs. I showed you in my last video, I think. Yeah, so it's a normal desk. Epoch. Let's go take a look at my house. Oh, there's my channel. Back here, we have the tanning room. This is the laundry room. Really dirty. Take a look upstairs. Nobody cares about it down here. That's why it's so messy. Bathroom. Dining room. Texas. Here's the kitchen. Yeah, it seems to be a little bit dirty. And the living room.
Using too much sauce, okay? Review's over. What?
Take a look upstairs. E3.